Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to bleed your BMW X5 cooling system. First, park your vehicle on a level surface to ensure accurate fluid levels and safety. It is crucial that the engine is completely cool before you begin, as working with a hot system can be dangerous. Next, locate your coolant reservoir and identify all the bleed screws on the system. Now, carefully fill the coolant reservoir with the correct BMW-approved coolant until it reaches the maximum fill line. With the reservoir filled, open all the bleed screws on the system to allow any trapped air to escape. Then, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. This prepares the system for the next step. To activate the automatic bleed cycle, set your vehicle's heater to its maximum temperature and the fan speed to low. Next, press and hold the accelerator pedal down for 10 seconds. This action initiates the electric water pump, which will run for approximately 12 minutes, circulating the coolant and expelling air from the system automatically. Once the automatic bleed cycle is complete, recheck the coolant level in the reservoir and top it up if necessary to the correct mark. Securely close all the bleed screws and replace the reservoir cap. Your BMW X5 cooling system should now be properly bled. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.